Hello viewers, so welcome back viewers. I know you are so much active learners of English, but you don't know what should you do to develop in English. Viewers, today here I will tell you a clue to develop yourself in English. What is that? That is words. If you want to develop yourself in English language, must you have to gather a lot of words in your memory. Without knowing words, without learning, without gathering lot of words, you will not be able to develop yourself in English language. Not only in English, for any language. If you want to know any types of language, you have to know the vocabulary, you have to know the word meaning of that language. Without knowing the words, it is totally impossible for you to develop yourselves in any types of language. So the importance of learning words is so much important, I think. Viewers, today here I will tell you how to learn words. Here my today's topic is how to learn words. Viewers, there are some process to know the words, there are some process to acquire words, there are some process to obtain words, to collect words in the memory. If you want to be expert in English, of course you have to develop, you have to fulfill your memory with words. If you can do it, then it will be possible for you to develop yourself in English. Viewers, to learn the words, we can follow some way, we can follow some process. If you can do it, then it will be possible for you to learn English. Viewers, my first and major point is reading text widely. Viewers, if you want to collect new words, if you want to learn a lot of words, you have to read the text every day, everywhere, widely. Because whenever you will start to read out a text, you will find some new words, and every day if you collect some new words from such type of text, then it will help you to gather, to enrich your words, to enrich your vocabulary. Viewers, so learning words, I think this is the main process to collect new words and enrich the vocabulary. Viewers, my second point is reading newspaper or magazine. Viewers, you want to develop yourself in English, so I can instruct you to read a newspaper or magazine every day. If you read newspaper, English newspaper or magazine every day, and from there you will be able to collect some new words, and in newspaper, in magazine, you will see there is a lot of new words. Every day you will get minimum new words, and these words will help you to develop yourself to be expert in English. So if you want to develop yourself in English, if you want to develop yourself, if you want to be expert in English, you have to read newspaper or magazines every day, and in this way you will be able to collect new words, and in this way your vocabulary, your words store will be rise up. And my third point, tips for you, that is playing games with words. Because it is another important process, another important tips for English learners. To develop, to enrich your words every day, or not only every day but also every time, or whenever you will get time, you can play a game with words with your friends, with your classmates or others, or your well-wishers. If you do it, if you play games with words, then you will see your vocabulary, your word is increasing day by day. And my advice to you that try to play words, try to play games with words whenever you will get time. If you can do it, then it will be helpful for you to enrich your word in your memory. So viewers, this is for you, for all. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.